Hi, my name is Justin and this is my friend Andy, and we are with Heroes Garden CBD. Today we're going to be talking about how to take a CBD or use a CBD salve. Very simple, just a cream lotion kind of thing. And I've severely injured my neck helping him move some drum equipment, so I will be applying this to my neck today. And you kind of just want to make sure you really rub it in really well, and you want to make sure you get it in the target area and then areas around that as well to help with any inflammation you might be having. Again, apply it for about 30 to 60 seconds. It smells really nice too.
It smells terrific.
Yeah, it's got rosemary in it.
Are we using the same one?
No, we're not. The one I am using has 150 milligrams of CBD. It's a 2-ounce container. And then the one Andy is using is our 1100 milligram, comes in 4 ounces, a lot stronger for more severe aches or pains that you're having. So that's it. Very simple to use our CBD salve. For more information, or if you are interested in any of our products, you can visit our website at www.heroesgarden.shop. And thanks, Andy, again for helping me demonstrate this.
My pleasure. Thank you.